Hey everyone, welcome back to Security Academy, and today we're going to be talking about the one-time pad. The one-time pad is an encryption method. So let's assume we're given a message M and a key K, where K is a string. Unlike the Caesar cipher, where K was an integer, this key is going to be a sequence of letters, but then the key has to be at least as long as the message M. So the basic encryption method is that, again, like the Caesar cipher, it's a shift cipher. So each of the letters we're going to shift by a certain value. But we're going to shift each letter of the plain text message M by the corresponding value in the key. Let's take a look at this. So let's let our M be Academy and key be a string A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's understand the key real quick. So with the Caesar cipher, we had the key be integers, and we shifted by an integer. So we're going to do something similar to that. So we're going to transform A to 0, B in the key to 1, C to 2, all the way down to Z to 25. Let's do a concrete example. So our M is Academy, and our key is A through G. So in order to encrypt the message M, let's start with the very first letter. So M is A, K is A. So we're going to shift the letter A by 0. So that'll keep us at A. And then the second letter in M is C, and the corresponding key value is B. As we saw with the keys, B corresponds to 1, so we're going to shift C by 1. So that's going to give us the value of D. If we carry out this exercise again, we're going to get the value of C, and then D with a key of D goes to G, E and a key of E goes to I, M with a key of F goes to R, and Y with a key of G goes to E. So there's our ciphertext. Look at the decryption method. So decryption is just the undoing of the encryption. So this time, let's suppose that we're given a ciphertext C and the key K, where K is a string that's at least as long as the ciphertext C. With the encryption method, we saw that we shifted each letter of the plaintext message M forward by the corresponding key value. So with decryption, we're going to do the opposite. We're going to shift each letter of the ciphertext message C backwards by the corresponding value in the key K. Let's take a look at an example. Let's suppose that C is equal to DFE U CUZ, and let the key K be the letters A through G. Let's see if we can find the plaintext message. So if C were DFE U CUZ and K is just the letters A through G, let's see if we can apply the decryption method to find the plaintext. Well, the very first letter of the ciphertext is D, and the corresponding key value is A. So in order to find the corresponding plain text letter, we want to shift D backwards by the value of A. So since A corresponds to 0, the plain text letter is D. Carrying this out again, if we have the second letter, F, and the corresponding key value of B, in order to find the plain text letter, we shift F back by B. And since B corresponds to 1, we shift F backwards by 1, and we get the letter E. carrying this exercise out again, we get the following. C, R, Y, P, and T. Be sure to go through and understand how we got that result. And as we see, the resulting plain text message is decrypt. Thank you for watching this video on the one-time pad. We hope you learned a lot. Now head back to the site and test your new knowledge with a quiz. And until next time, this is Security Academy.